What's up everyone, Alan Morrow here, and today I want to talk to you about using an exciter on your leads. Now before I do that and we get into the video, if you'd like to hit that subscribe and notification bell, it really does help the algorithm and it helps the video reach other people who might be interested in this sort of stuff as well. And if you would like to support the channel, you can do that at alanmorrowstudios.com, where there is plenty of in-depth tutorials, sound banks, templates, and everything else you can think of to help you with your trance productions. Okay, so getting into the video. So today I want to talk to you about using exciters on leads and how you can use them in different ways to sort of help your leads. Now, the reason why I will use an exciter sometimes on a lead is to sort of give it a bit more high-end brightness to it. But once that's on there, you can do a couple of things to sort of help your leads. Now, one thing that you can do is, for example, let's say in your drop, you've got your exciter on your leads playing at the main drop where your melody's playing, everything like that. Now, as you're coming into the next section of your drop, the next 16 bars, for example, you can start to automate that exciter off in the last, say, 2 to 3, 4 bars or whatever, bring it gradually down so that when it then comes into the next section, you open it up again, essentially making that next section sound slightly brighter and have more energy to it, because you've slowly started to dial it down just before it kicks in again. So that's one way to do it. You could have it playing on both sides of that transition and automate it down to bring it in when the next part comes in. The other thing is you could have it so that it's not on at all. For example, in your breakdown, you might not have it in playing on top of your leads or anything like that. And then when your drop kicks in, you have it so it's automated and the automation turns on the exciter, essentially making your drop just sound that little bit more brighter, having a little bit more energy, and that's one way that you can add a little bit more impact as well to your drops. The other thing as well you could do is have it so it slowly starts to dial up as you are using in your build up, for example, up to your drop, and different things like that. You know, you could have it turned on for different sections and turned off for other sections depending on how much impact you want. So they're just a couple of things that you can do with the exciter just to help with some transitions and stuff like that. So I hope this might help. Give it a try on your leads. As I say, you don't need to have an exciter on every set of leads that you use. Like anything with production, it's always going to be a scenario-based thing. But it is something that I will sometimes use, and that is some different things that you can do with the exciter to sort of help with your transitions and stuff. So if you have taken some value from this video, be sure to hit that like button. That definitely helps as well for me just getting the videos out there. I'm really trying to grow the YouTube channel at the moment, so trying to get as much content out to people. And let me know in the comment section below as well if you'd liked, if you've enjoyed this video. Firstly, if you use exciters on your leads, for example, or other little things that you might do with your leads and exciters or whatever it is, just let me know in the comment section below if there's any little tips and tricks like that you use. But yeah, I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you haven't yet done so, please subscribe to the AM Studios production community. It's completely free. I'll leave a link above for you to head over and do that. You'll get free production tips and tricks sent directly to your inbox. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and I'll see you again soon.